Hello and welcome, everyone. I'm thrilled to have you here today on the Best Sellers Market channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating countdown of the best-selling light covers. Whether you're looking to brighten up your space, add a touch of elegance, or simply upgrade your lighting game, you're in the right place. Light covers are more than just functional items. They can transform a room, create ambiance, and express your personal style. Without further ado, let's jump right in and discover the top 5 light covers that are making waves on Amazon. These products have been selected based on their popularity, customer reviews, and overall satisfaction. Number 5, starting off our countdown is This light cover is known for its sleek design and easy installation. It's perfect for those who want to add a modern touch to their home without any hassle. Customers love its durability and the way it diffuses light beautifully across the room. Number 4, coming in at number 4 is This one has a classic look that never goes out of style. It's versatile, fits various light fixtures, and is praised for its high-quality materials. Users particularly appreciate its affordability without compromising on elegance. Number 3, our third spot goes to This light cover stands out with its unique pattern and exceptional craftsmanship. It's an excellent choice for those who want to make a statement with their lighting. Reviewers rave about its ability to elevate any space with its artistic flair. At number 2, we have This product is a favorite among customers for its innovative design and ease of use. It's perfect for both residential and commercial settings. Users highlight its energy efficiency and the warm, inviting atmosphere it creates. Number 1, and finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. The top-selling light cover on Amazon is This light cover has captured the hearts of many with its outstanding features and impeccable design. It's the epitome of style and functionality, offering a perfect blend of beauty and practicality. Customers can't stop raving about its transformative impact on their spaces. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 best-selling light covers on Amazon. Each of these products brings something unique to the table, and they all have glowing reviews from satisfied customers. Thank you for joining me today on Best Sellers Market. I hope this countdown has inspired you to find the perfect light cover for your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates and product reviews. Until next time, happy shopping and stay illuminated. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to elevate your vehicle's style to a whole new level with our number 5 top-selling light cover on Amazon. The VViViD Air-Tint, dark black headlight, and Taillight tint air release vinyl wrap film roll. Picture this, a headlight tint that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly application. That's exactly what you get with the VViViD Air-Tint. This isn't just any film, it's the industry's first headlight and taillight tint boasting VViViD Plus premium material technology. Designed with an innovative air release membrane, you can say goodbye to messy installation liquids. That's right, this tint is ready to use straight out of the box. Now let's talk versatility. This remarkable film can wrap any shape. Yes, you heard that correctly, any shape. Originally crafted for those notoriously hard to wrap surfaces, it's now a game changer for all headlight designs. And the ease of installation? Professionals are shaving off precious time on every job, making this a must-have in their toolkit. But the innovation doesn't stop there. This film is self-healing. Scratches? What scratches? Just apply a bit of heat and watch them disappear. Simply cut the vinyl to fit, apply it, heat it with a heat gun or even a hairdryer, stretch, and trim the excess. It's genuinely that straightforward. Crafted from automotive-grade cast vinyl, these tints come in a sophisticated 80% tinted smoke or a sleek 20% VLT. And don't worry about damaging your lights. Our acrylic-based adhesive is 100% chemical safe, designed to be gentle on your headlight coatings. Remember, precision is key. Make sure to measure your headlights before application. This pre-cut sheet measures 1.49 feet by 60 inches, providing ample material for a perfect fit. So, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional detailer, the VViViD Air-Tint dark black headlight and taillight tint is your go-to solution for a flawless, stylish finish every time. Transform your ride with ease and confidence because with VViViD, excellence is in every detail. Revamp, renew, and revolutionize your ride with our number 4 top-selling light cover on Amazon. The 1797 Car Light Tint Film, Headlight, and Fog Light Yellow Tinted Vinyl Tailback Color Sticker. Are you ready to transform your vehicle's aesthetics effortlessly? Look no further. This 48-inch by 12-inch car tint film is your all-in-one solution, perfect for headlights, taillights, fog lights, side marker lights, and even your windshield. Imagine your car gleaming with a fresh new look, turning heads wherever you go. Let's talk transparency. With an impressive light transmittance rate of 90%, this tint film ensures your lights shine brightly, maintaining their original intensity. Rain, fog, snow, or night driving, your headlights will pierce through the elements with uncompromised clarity. Crafted from premium, scratch-resistant vinyl, this yellow tint film not only adds a splash of color, but also serves as a protective shield for your headlights. Say goodbye to scratches, aging, and cracks. The acrylic-based adhesive is gentle yet steadfast, ensuring it won't corrode your headlight coating or damage your car lights. Adhesion? Absolutely superb. This vinyl wrap clings seamlessly to your car lights, enduring car washes without a hitch. No peeling, no lifting, just a snug, flawless fit that stands the test of time. Installation is a breeze. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro, you'll find it easy to apply and remove. And when it's time for a change, rest assured there will be no residual glue. Cleanup is as simple as a splash of water. So why wait? Elevate your vehicle's style and protection with the 1797 Car Light Tint Film. Transform your headlights into a statement of sleek sophistication and functionality. Let every drive be a showcase of your impeccable taste and attention to detail. Introducing our number 3 best-selling light cover on Amazon, the VViViD Air-Tint Headlight Tail Light Window Tint in Smoke Black. Prepare to elevate your vehicle's look with unparalleled ease and sophistication. VViViD Air Tints are a revolution in automotive styling. Imagine a headlight and taillight tint that boasts all the advanced technologies of VViViD plus premium materials. This isn't just a tint, it's an innovation. Featuring an air release membrane, you can install this tint dry. No messy installation liquid required. It's ready to go straight out of the box. What sets VViViD Air Tint apart? Its unrivaled flexibility. This is the only film on the market designed to wrap any shape. Yes, any shape. Initially crafted for the most challenging surfaces, its superior conformability with heat makes it the go-to for any headlight design. Professionals love it for its time-saving ease, and you'll love it for its flawless finish. And here's the magic: self-healing technology. Minor scratches? Just apply a bit of heat and they vanish. Installation is as simple as it gets. Cut the vinyl to the desired shape, apply it, use a heat gun or hairdryer to make it conform to curves, stretch it, and trim the excess. It's that straightforward. Crafted from scratch-resistant, automotive-grade cast vinyl, VViViD Air Tints are designed to resist shrinkage and peeling, ensuring a long-lasting, sleek appearance. Developed in Canada, this product offers superior durability. The acrylic-based adhesive is gentle yet effective, ensuring it won't corrode plastic or damage your headlights. Remember to measure your headlights and order enough vinyl to cover them completely. With VViViD Air Tint, you're not just applying a cover, you're making a statement. Transform your vehicle with a product that combines cutting-edge technology, ease of use, and stunning visual impact. Your ride deserves nothing less than the best. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling light covers on Amazon? Well, be sure to light up our day by hitting like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a bright idea. Introducing the number 2 top-selling light cover on Amazon, the VViViD Air Tint Dark Black Headlight Tail Light Window Tint Value Pack. Elevate your vehicle's style with this unparalleled solution, designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Imagine the power to transform your headlights and taillights with ease. The VViViD Air Tint Value Pack, featuring 2 rolls measuring 16 inches by 48 inches each, brings you an industry-first technology. Equipped with an air release membrane, you can say goodbye to messy installation liquids. This tint is ready to use right out of the box, ensuring a smooth, dry installation every time. What makes VViViD Air Tint truly exceptional? Its incredible versatility. This is the only film on the market engineered to wrap any shape. Whether you're dealing with the most challenging contours or straightforward designs, this tint conforms effortlessly with the application of heat. Originally developed for hard-to-wrap surfaces, it's now the go-to choice for any headlight shape, saving professionals precious time and delivering flawless results. But that's not all. These tints offer an 80% tinted smoke or 20% VLT, crafted from automotive-grade cast vinyl. This ensures durability and longevity, protecting your lights while enhancing their appearance. The acrylic-based adhesive is 100% chemical safe, meaning it won't corrode your headlight coatings or damage your lights, unlike other tints on the market. Installation is a breeze. Simply measure your headlights, cut the pre-sized 12-inch by 24-inch sheets, apply, heat, and trim. It's that simple. No more worrying about shrinkage, peeling, or residual glue. The VViViD Air-Tint adheres seamlessly and maintains its pristine look through all conditions. So why settle for ordinary when you can achieve extraordinary? Transform your vehicle with the VViViD Air-Tint Dark Black Headlight Taillight Window Tint Value Pack. Experience the perfect blend of innovation, ease, and stunning visual impact. Your car deserves the best, and with VViViD, that's exactly what you get. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the #1 best-selling light cover on Amazon. Introducing the VViViD Plus Ultimate Headlight Taillight Tint Vinyl Wrap in Dark Smoke. This product redefines excellence and sets the gold standard in headlight and taillight tinting. First, let's talk about gloss. Imagine the glossiest headlight tint modern technology can produce. That's what you get with VViViD Plus Ultimate. This tint boasts a finish so flawless, it rivals the best gloss paint, transforming your vehicle into a sleek, polished masterpiece. Next, we bring you clarity like never before. The VViViD Plus Ultimate delivers more visible light transmission than any smoke headlight tint available. Stay safe on the road without sacrificing style. With this tint, your lights shine through brilliantly, ensuring maximum visibility. Usability? It's unmatched. This vinyl wrap is designed to stretch, conform, and reposition more easily than ever before. VViVid's protective cap maintains the vinyl's pristine condition throughout the installation, making the process smoother and more forgiving. Now let's delve into the nano air release technology. Say goodbye to wet installs and hello to dry convenience. Apply heat, and watch the micro air release pattern vanish, leaving a surface so smooth and glossy, you'll swear it's paint. This innovation ensures a flawless, bubble-free finish every time. And the adhesive? It's ultra clear and ultra safe. VViVid's hardened acrylic adhesive maximizes headlight brightness while protecting surfaces and coatings. Unlike other adhesives that can damage your lights, this one preserves their integrity, providing a secure yet gentle hold. So, measure your headlights, cut to size, and prepare to transform your vehicle. With the VViViD Plus Ultimate Headlight Taillight Tint Vinyl Wrap, you're not just adding a tint, you're enhancing your car with the pinnacle of style and technology. Experience the ultimate in gloss, clarity, usability, and safety. Your vehicle deserves nothing less than the best, and with VViViD Plus, you get exactly that. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling light covers on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.